Itusal gap of 20 years ULB election rakhi thakya homoiti independence candidate aro alag party khanra BJP opor bishi accuse kuri thakya pailo ase kili alag jagati BJP youth khanra kolini manu khan ke harassment kuri thakya nimite ko ase reserve seat ward number 7 independence candidate Tolika Ketsku jakali media logena koi dia sabtu BJP supporters alag ward laga khanpi jama kurgena with rowdy behavior koleni pitorti peace disrupt kuri thakya koi dia ase aro 70 to 80% of koleni residents non naga minorities opor treat and intimidation aro harassment kura eklan hoigena provocation action dekhai di thakya koi dia ase aro BJP supporters khan candidate laga residents bar kurgena aha ja kuri thakya tamti provoke krubole kushish kuri horn bachabo aro kedis logina residents oporti mari berai thakya experience kuri aisha ko ase itukani judi inika action continue kurse koili formal complaint uthabo kogena candidate awas uthai di ase khobor pai thakya sabti ja kali Sunday future state capital Kohima Leri Colony NH02 heavy duty truck gari Manpur jai thakya landslide te phachi jaina CRPF camp Leri Colony ti traffic jam disrupt ho jaisha aro iman deri gari rokhai dise koina khobor dia ase Kohima deputy commissioner Komar Ramnikan khobor dia sabti mudslide karni national highway block ho jaina 11 baji phale safa kurdiyena highway area ti hours bichi gari rokhai disha aro Kohima in Mau Stretch Road area 2 National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited Canberra maintain kuri thakya koi dia ase reported Leri Colony to mudslide ja haftabara aste name ase aro hotai JCB khan sapa sapi kam kura seulipi ja kali load heavy gari phachi jaina rasta pura puri block kudi she itukani sapa kuri logina NHIDCL khan measures uthai dibole assure kuri dia ase hulipi ajikali barish ai thakya kani kam kurbole na pargena ja thakya issue koi dia ase Clean Election Movement CEM of Nagaland Baptist Church Council NBCC khan citizen aro candidate khan ki corruption practices activity khan ULB election June 26 ai thakya kani avoid kurgena free and fair thaibole urge kuri dia ase NBCC khan last statement ti Nagaland state the election aija shekoli jidibo karni candidate khan tu social value personal resources voter entertainment karni sob harai dibo aro festival of democracy misuse kurgena kanda kuri thakya koi dia ase itu karni voters khan pi candidate of continue improvement growth and democratic value promises opor choose kurubole CEM khan khobor kuri dia ase